Okay, it's Mark, High Quality Home Maintenance. I'm told this is pretty easy to do. So I'm going to put in a new switch. This passenger switch has been dinked with for so long, and I'm just as guilty trying to get that window to go down by cramming my fingernail in there. Anyway, so now what I'm going to do, they say you pry this off. So I just, look at that. Would you look at that? Okay, no breakage. Look at that. All right. Cracker. So, and if I had to guess, that's 10 millimeter. Pause. And nailed it. It's 10 millimeter. So, oh, there, that was even not real tight. Okay, let's see if I can get, then there's another one down here. Okay, let's see if I can get this to aim. I don't even know if it's aimed right. We're going to try that. There we go. Got that one out. Hopefully you can see how I'm doing that. More long-winded than I thought. Okay, well that thing just comes right out. That's great. And so now, let's see, this must just pry up. Look at that. Would you look at that? It comes right out. That easy. This is about as easy as it gets. So, let's see if I can't set that down right there. And so, right here, there's a thumb presser. You got to push that in, and yep, out she comes. Same with the other one. Out it comes. And then I'm guessing, oh, okay. That's what holds it up in there. Woo-hoo. Dang, that was fast. That's easy. So this one's out. I got the new one. And, yep, I'm going to call that identical. There you go. That one goes over there. This goes in. This plugs in. You gotta be kidding me. I don't know how much they charge for this, but if that's all it takes, this is gonna be wonderful. Hopefully that all got caught on the camera. And I'm already putting this back together. I don't even know if it's been 2 minutes yet. Helps if I put the socket end on the nut or the bolt. Okay, getting the socket back together. Oh, it's still loosening. Okay, I just want to get it snug since that's all it was. I didn't get that one all the way in. I didn't. There we go. Snug. And let's see if I can get the top and bottom right on this. Okay. Oop. So I was going to put it upside down. Here is that thing that I was grabbing with the flat bar, or the stiff putty knife. Done. I don't even know how long that took. But that is a done deal. Here's the old one. 5 minutes.